Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin price follows the negative correlation of the stock market. Marathon and Riot sell their Bitcoin profits from February before price drop. Celsius custody customers finally begin withdrawals 263 days after freeze. India explores offline functionality of CBDC, RBI Executive Director. YAS increases by 10% amidst market correction. MICROSTRATEGY clarifies that it does not have Bitcoin under custody with Silvergate. Argentina seizes and disconnects 1,700 Bitcoin mining rigs for 6 months. Galaxy dips Bitcoin NFT market to hit $4.5 billion by 2025. The metaverse is testing the limits of what is legally possible. Bitcoin price follows the negative correlation of the stock market. According to a recent analysis, the price of Bitcoin is negatively correlated with the stock market, meaning that when the stock market falls, the price of Bitcoin tends to rise. This relationship has been particularly strong in recent months, with stock market volatility on the rise due to the COVID-19 pandemic and other factors. Analysts also point out that Bitcoin's inverse correlation with the stock market is a signal that Bitcoin is becoming a more mature and stable asset in the financial market. Marathon and Riot sell their Bitcoin profits from February before price drop. Cryptocurrency mining companies Marathon and Riot have sold a portion of their Bitcoin profits from February before the recent price drop. Marathon sold 100% of its Bitcoin profits, while Riot sold 40%. The companies stated that they sold the cryptocurrencies to increase their liquidity and fund their expansion. However, some analysts believe that the massive sale of Bitcoin by mining companies may have contributed to the price drop. Celsius custody customers finally begin withdrawals 263 days after freeze. Cryptocurrency custody company Celsius Custody has started allowing its customers to withdraw their funds 263 days after withdrawals were frozen. The company had suspended withdrawals due to regulatory compliance issues. Now, customers can withdraw their cryptocurrencies without restrictions and without additional fees. Celsius Custody has also implemented additional security measures to ensure the protection of its customers' funds. India explores offline functionality of CBDC, RBI Executive Director. A senior official from the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has stated that the central bank is exploring the possibility of developing a CBDC central bank digital currency that is fully functional offline. The intention is to allow people to make transactions in areas where there is no stable internet connection or where there is no access to electronic devices. Additionally, the RBI is also working on developing a stronger digital payments infrastructure in the country. YAS increases by 10% amidst market correction. YAS has increased by 10% in the last 24 hours. While most cryptocurrencies have been experiencing a market correction, the price increase may be related to the recent launch of the decentralized social platform Voice, which runs on the YAS blockchain. Additionally, cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has also announced that it will allow its users to participate in YAS voting. Despite the market correction, YAS has shown strong performance in recent weeks, increasing its price by over 60%. MicroStrategy clarifies that it does not have Bitcoin under custody with Silvergate. Business intelligence company MicroStrategy has clarified that it does not have Bitcoin under custody with Silvergate Bank. The information that MicroStrategy had Bitcoin under custody at Silvergate became public after a company presentation to the United States Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). However, MicroStrategy has stated that this information was incorrect and has requested a correction to the presentation. MicroStrategy has been buying large amounts of Bitcoin in recent months and currently holds over 90,000 BTC in its reserves. Argentina seizes and disconnects 1,700 Bitcoin mining rigs for 6 months. The Argentine federal police have confiscated and disconnected around 1,700 Bitcoin mining rigs for 6 months in a series of operations carried out in several cities across the country. The police have been working in collaboration with the National Securities Commission and the Financial Information Unit in the fight against illicit activities related to cryptocurrencies. In addition to the mining equipment, other items have been seized, including over $50,000 in cash and storage devices. Argentine authorities have stepped up their efforts to combat the illegal use of cryptocurrencies in the country. Galaxy dips Bitcoin NFT market to hit $4.5 billion by 2025. Cryptocurrency investment firm Galaxy Digital has forecasted that the Bitcoin non-fungible token NFT market will reach $4.5 billion by 2025. According to a report by the company, the NFT market has been driven by the growing adoption of cryptocurrencies and blockchain, as well as the popularity of games and other applications that use it. The report also notes that the NFT market is not limited to the art industry, but extends to a wide range of sectors. Galaxy Digital has highlighted that the Bitcoin NFT market is a significant opportunity for investors. The metaverse is testing the limits of what is legally possible. The growing popularity of the metaverse, a virtual space shared by millions of users, is challenging the limits of what is legally possible. Legal issues include intellectual property, privacy, and the regulation of financial transactions in the virtual world. As the metaverse expands and becomes an increasingly important place for business and social relationships, legal issues are likely to become increasingly complex. Experts warn that metaverse participants must be aware of the legal risks and take steps to protect themselves.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking